In order to figure out if a limit exists based on a graph, we have to see if the function intends to reach a certain height as x approaches a certain value. So if you take a look at the value here at x equals a, we'll notice there is no point on the graph. However, if your function is trying to reach a height as you get closer to that x value of a, then the limit exists, and it would be the height that the function intends to reach. In this case, the limit as x approaches a of f of x is equal to 2. If you're trying to figure out the limit as x is approaching b, notice this time, as you approach from the left, our function is trying to reach a height of 2, but as you approach from the right, our function is trying to reach a height of 1. In this situation, the limit as x approaches b of f of x does not exist, because the left-hand limit and right-hand limit are both trying to reach different heights. If you would like more practice trying to determine a limit based on a graph and when a limit exists versus when it doesn't exist, try figuring out these two limits as x approaches -3 and x approaches +2 of this function f of x. Check the comments for the answers. Good luck.